All right, Tony, we have some weather coming our way. We're calling Wednesday an impact day.
We are. We think there's going to be a line of storms coming across the Gulf and then across the peninsula from about 11 through about 8 o'clock at night. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that here through Wednesday evening. Let me take you back outside and I'll show you what's going on here, where the storms are coming from, and why we're a little concerned for the weather to get a bit bumpy on Wednesday. No problems outside right now. It is a fantastic night. iDrive looking good. Few high clouds out there, but really, other than that, not a whole lot going on here. All of that high cloud energy is going up and over this big ridge of high pressure, but it's this disturbance here which is going to continue to come out and force a cold front through the deep south and push this big dome of high pressure farther to the south. So tonight, tomorrow, no issues with any active weather. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to the lower 70s. Fog tracker, there is one concern overnight tonight that for a short period of time out the door in the morning, especially in Sumter and on into Marion County, visibilities may be below 3 miles. So I do want you to check in tomorrow morning with Kellyanne to get the update on that, or rather with Eric. Let's take a look now at those temperatures. You can see low 60s up to the north, middle 60s south and east. Daytona Beach looking like this, middle 80s for temperatures in the afternoon for the spring breakers. Good news on that front. However, the water temperatures are cool, so we'll have to watch that along with that moderate rip current risk for swimmers. Please swim near those lifeguards. So tonight, tomorrow, there's your mild conditions giving way to hot weather. Yeah. Up at about 90 degrees as we get you into the afternoon tomorrow, at least through the interior. Even despite all the clouds around both Tuesday and on into Wednesday, it will be warm. Now let's take a look at Futurecast here. There's 10:30 in the morning. There's that line of showers and storms by the noon hour into the villages approaching Palm Coast, and then by the 2 o'clock hour right through downtown Orlando over towards Bithlo, Waterford Lakes. There's a look at New Smyrna Beach, Oak Hill, over towards Daytona Beach, getting in on the heavier showers and thunderstorms. And then by 4 o'clock through the heart of central and southern Brevard County will be the worst weather. Now there will be some lingering showers and it could even be a few more evening thunderstorms, but nothing like that first line. Once we get past midnight, things will begin to quiet down. Now, Futurecast showing a nice swath of lots of dark green, so the potential is there for 1 to 3 inches of rain. European computer models got a lot of rain as well. American GFS, though, is a little bit lighter on those rainfall amounts. Either way, with that line of storms coming on through, the two biggest concerns for me will be some hail-producing thunderstorms and gusty winds that, in a few of the storms, could exceed 58+ miles an hour. No storms tomorrow. It's all about the heat. 85 to about 90 pretty much area-wide. Pollen's high tomorrow, going down Wednesday briefly, and then Thursday and Friday behind that front, pollen shooting right back up. Let's talk about Thursday and Friday. Fronts down to the south, gorgeous weather Thursday, Friday, on into the weekend, comfortable, cool nights and beautiful afternoons. Look at Ocala, 3-day stretch here, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, middle to the upper 40s. As we take a look at that weekend setup here, big dome of high pressure is north and west. When you're on the eastern side of high pressure, you're on the cooler side of high pressure. 76, 78 respectively. Gorgeous weekend weather. Let's put it all together here for you. Tuesday's your hot day. Wednesday's your bumpy day. Again, yellow impact icon. Make sure you have alternate plans with, again, the weather moving on in. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Holding in the 70s by day. Low 50s in town, 40s north and west.